So many people are saying that their chili oil is the best in the entire universe. I just want to ask those people, did you win like a championship tournament or something? In my honest opinion, everybody can make chili oil and everybody can have different tweak in it. So mine is Korean chili powder with Chinese aromatics. Homemade chili oil. Let's begin. First, we have to talk about the Sichuan peppercorn. These little firecrackers, I definitely recommend you to prepare for this recipe. These are very sharp and fragrant in nature, which will give you a fuller and heavier tasting note for your final product. But if you cannot source these, use the black peppercorn, but make sure to use the twice the amount in the recipe. There are not so many vegetable cuts today, so let's just make it quick. We're going to halve the garlic bulb, and we're going to use them as is. And for the ginger, we're going to slice them not too thick, not too thin, just like this. It's like I want to extract the flavor, but I don't want to burn them in the oil. You know what I'm saying? Just to give you the detail, it's about 1/8 inch. And we need to make a little opening on the dried chilies. In your sauce here on low heat, you're going to add dried chilies, Sichuan peppercorn, star anise, cinnamon stick, and bay leaves. Gradually increase to medium-low heat and you're going to toast this gently. Remember to toast but not to burn. After like 3 minutes or so, you're going to see the smoke coming up a little bit. That's when you drop your cold oil to the pot and extract all the good flavors from your dry ingredients. Immediately after you add the oil, you add garlic as well, and the ginger slices. And you put this on low heat, sort of like confit. Just make sure to raise the temperature slowly to infuse all the good flavor. While the oil is getting hot, we're going to prepare a bowl with sesame seeds and this vibrant Korean chili powder. Here comes the detail. This is an absolute foolproof method. When the temperature reaches around 250-ish, we're going to prime the chili powder a little bit with half a cup of oil. This will prevent the chili powder and the sesame seeds to burn right away. And heat up the oil again to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you can pour the entire aromatic oil to the chili powder and sesame seeds. This will fizz a little bit, so make sure to have enough room in your bowl. Give it a good stir and it's done. When the oil is cooled off a little bit, you can transfer it to a jar or a glass container. Make sure to scrape up all the sediments and return some of the strained aromatics back to the jar. There are so many ways of using chili oil, but I tested it on my dumpling lunch and it came out great. So I'm not going to say this is the best chili oil in the universe, but this is definitely a chili oil with my character. Now, if you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like and subscribe and notification bell, and we'll cook with this amazing chili oil in the next episode.